welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kate, and today we are doing a glow up video. 2 weeks from today, we're leaving for our trip to Mexico. We are going to start the process of a glow up before our vacation because naturally that's what we do. Okay, I'm picking back up the vlog. I have these eyebrow shaper things and I'm going to work on my brows. After that, I'm gonna take a bath and I'm gonna like exfoliate, shave, put on my first round of self-tanner. Let's shape these brows. Okay, I just got out of the bath. Now we're gonna prep our skin for self-tan. It's skincare time. I'm gonna start off with this Versed Just Breathe Clarifying Serum. I know this is good for like clearing up any active acne. I don't really have much active acne on my face, but it also prevents it, so that's good. I also did not self-tan my face, but I plan to. I also was sent the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. This stuff literally makes me glow. I was also sent the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. This stuff literally works so well. I'm gonna show you. It will visibly brighten my under eye. I don't know if you could tell this versus this already. I bought this one myself. This is the second time I've repurchased, so this is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, and I love this stuff. It really helps hydrate my face. I also have these little collagen packets that I got from Amazon. I have them linked on my storefront in items that I've purchased. They are amazing. I put them on right before bed, like after all of this. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not, but I like have a pre-bedtime skincare routine, which is what I'm doing now, and then I have an actual bedtime skincare routine, like once I'm like laying in bed. So I'll definitely show you guys that too. I'll show you the products I use and everything. Those collagen packets have been literally so helpful. I have to repurchase them because I'm getting low. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with the Paula's Choice Retinol, and this is for like fine lines and like wrinkles, and I definitely have fine lines on my forehead, like my smile lines. Whatever excess product that I have, I put it on like my neck and the rest of my face. I've been using this for quite a while. I was sent 2 of them. I gave my mom 1 of them. I was also sent this Sephora Overnight Hydrating Mask, and this stuff is like my favorite. This is my favorite moisturizer to put on besides the Curology one that I was sent, which I will also show you. Last thing for the skincare right now, we're doing the Laneige lip mask because gotta keep the lips hydrated. Okay, I should also probably mention that I washed my face with the CeraVe Hydrating Cleansing Bar. My dermatologist told me to switch over to the bar rather than like the pump, and my skin cleared so quickly. Like, I don't know why. She said, yeah, switch over to the bar, and Queen saved my life. Thank you, Sarah. I should show you a face washing routine maybe sometime this week. Really quick, I love to use this Zum Mist Spray. It's the Lavender Mint Aromatherapy Room and Body Mist. This is so good. I got it at a lavender farm and it was only $10. Pretty sure you could buy this online or something, but it's so like refreshing and also like calming because the lavender and then the mint, you know? You have to do the hair prep before bed too. When it comes to brushes, I'm a wet brush gal. Like, I literally love the wet brushes. I sent the Moroccan oil treatment for fine or light colored hair. Whoa, I'm just gonna put a little bit there and I'm just gonna kind of run this through my ends. Okay, we're in bed. These are the collagen packs. Basically just take one, like jelly consistency, and I keep a scissor in here so I could easily cut it off because they're actually really hard to open. See how that's like a jelly? I'm just gonna be putting that everywhere, including my neck. This is supposed to like tighten up any fine lines, wrinkles, moisturize your face like overnight. Also put the remaining ones on the top of my hands because if you don't know, your hands will wrinkle. Next, I use another eye cream, and this is a depuffing eye gel from Dermalogica. This was also sent to me, and I'm so grateful for this because this stuff works so well too. I have Vaseline right here, and this is so useful for so many reasons. This allows my brows to like grow, and I've seen it firsthand. Like, this really does make them grow. And then I'm also gonna put it on my eyelashes. This also helps them grow. And then you can put some on your lips. Sometimes I even put some like on my forehead for extra moisture. Last but not least, I have this Curology hydration cream moisturizer, whatever, and I love this because it's like one of those, and I kind of just put like 2 pumps total on my face and neck. That is literally my skincare routine for at night. So I'll basically take the gua sha and just keep doing this. You can see there's a lot of lymphatic like fluid in there. If all days brown eyes
roots in my apartment, and we grew past by. Plans were always falling. I know you need out sometimes, head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in amazing night. Driving circles, growing sick of the weather. Heather gray fell asleep in my sweatshirt.
I got my hair done, as you guys saw. I asked for a beige, like light blonde. I got these like layers cut again and some little bit of curtain bang. I am in love with it. I think it's perfect and I just cannot wait to be able to like style this new hair. I don't know, I'm just so excited. Did also help me color my extensions to the color of my hair and they match perfectly. I showed you guys a little clip of that. I am going home now. It's updated and I'll talk to you shortly. Good morning. I'm getting ready right now to go to a friend's house really quick because she's in town. She's usually in New York, but I figured I'd take you guys along with my morning skincare routine. I'm gonna start out with this Gabriel Cosmetics Hydrating Cream Cleanser. It's for dry, dehydrated skin. It smells amazing and I'm just gonna cleanse my face. I try to double cleanse anytime I can. So I start off with this one and then I move on to my CeraVe bar. Now to go in with my CeraVe bar, I'm just gonna get this wet and lather with it. Okay, next I'm gonna take a little cotton round with this Gabriel Cosmetics Hydrating Tonic for dry, dehydrated skin. It just goes with the hydrating cleanser. I got the whole system sent to me like a while ago and it came with this moisturizer that was amazing, but I ran out of it, so I'm kind of sad about that. I'm just going to kind of run this over my entire face. Okay, now I'm gonna move us over to my makeup desk to do the rest of my skincare. I'm gonna start out with the Glow Recipe serum. It's the salicylic serum. Next, I'm going in with the under eye brightening serum. I'm gonna go in with the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is just gonna hydrate my face. And then the Laneige lip mask. I literally always use this. It's so good. Last but not least, I'm gonna use this little Mario Badescu Aloe Moisturizer. It's very like refreshing. So I'm just gonna put a ton of this on. I'm just gonna let this sit and that's pretty much my little skincare routine in the morning. It varies. Sometimes I'll take my gua sha and I'll just start gua shaing a little bit before my makeup. Probably sit here and do for a little bit. Why am I in a bathing suit, you ask? Because I'm gonna show you my self-tan routine. This is an old bathing suit that I've had for years, so we are just gonna be using it. I don't care if I get tanner on it or not, but we're gonna put our hair up in a clip. That is first and foremost. We need to moisturize. I have the lights on, by the way, because they're harsh. Watch. Too harsh. You have scarring on my stomach from a recent surgery. Let's ignore it for now. I'm going to use the EOS Heal and Repair Body Cream in Vanilla Cashmere. This is my ultimate favorite lotion. Make sure I get my elbows good, my armpits, knees, and then your ankles and feet. I'm gonna show you guys how I self-tan my face when I do my skincare tonight. I like to use multiple different kinds of self-tan, but we're gonna use the Jergens one tonight. Tomorrow during the day, I think I'm gonna use my Saint Tropez. And on the vacation, I'm bringing a little Saint Tropez face one and body one. We're just gonna use this. I think I'm gonna do 2 layers. I have my mitt from Saint Tropez. I get all of your foam on. I start with my chest, so I always put my necklace back. You could take it off if you want, but I'm too lazy to do that. So we're just gonna start. You're gonna wanna go in circular motions, neck included, you know. I'm gonna move the strap around so I can really get underneath. Then I'm gonna move to my stomach. I'm just gonna lift this up a little bit so I can get underneath. With my scars that I have on my stomach, I just basically self-tan over them, and then I'll take a Q-tip with some water on it, and then I'll just kind of like go over it with that to remove any self-tan that's on the scar directly. And from there, I put a healing ointment on top. We're gonna just go in circular motions all around the stomach and all around the back as well. The upper back I kind of get later. Next, I'm going onto my arms. Stay away from the elbow for now. I'm just gonna skip over the elbow, kind of go to the forearm, and I'm also gonna skip over the hand for right now. When this is like pretty much all the tan comes off, you're gonna wanna lightly brush your hand here and like the thumb, but not on the knuckles yet. And then when it comes to the elbow, you can just kind of lightly brush over it. I am no expert when it comes to self-tanning, but I've been doing it for like 6 years, so I have some sort of experience, you could say. Same thing on this side. Now for the legs. It depends on how flexible you are, but you could put your foot in the sink, which is what I'm literally doing right now. I'm trying to just get the thigh area and avoiding the knee. I want to also get the behind of your leg too as much as you can. Now we are going to go in on the shin. Circular motions go all the way around the shin and focusing it towards the middle of the leg and still like the underneath of the knee. Whenever we're done packing tonight for the night, I'm going to paint my toes. I'll take you guys along for that and then tanning the face as well. I have my very loose crew neck on. This was sent to me by Ivory Elbow, and then I just have pajama pants that are pretty loose. I'm opening this pack of spooky fuzzy socks that my friend Tenley got me for my surgery. It was part of like my gift basket that she got me, which was so sweet of her. I really love her so much. I'm gonna wear the little ghost ones because it'll match the whole vibe. My point is put stuff on that's loose and that will cover like all of the parts that you self-tanned. Obviously like my neck isn't covered, but we're just gonna be careful with her. I'm just kind of picking out some nail polishes that I feel like I could choose between. We're on the floor now about to paint toes, but I do have to take off the nail polish that's already on them. I'm going with this brown color, and then I'm gonna do a clear coat on top. Hello you guys, it is the next day. Technically today is the day before we leave, but I'm pulling an all-nighter, so it's basically like, for me, it's like tonight that we're leaving. Took a shower to rinse off all of my self-tan and I shaved really well. About to do some skincare. I'm gonna be using these face tanning drops. These were both sent to me, luckily. I'm actually gonna mix them with my moisturizer after I do my serums. I also have my Wawa iced latte again. This is the same thing I had yesterday, but bigger. I needed it today. I literally stayed up till 5 a.m. You know, we're just vibing. I put that on my Instagram story, exactly how to order it and everything. If you have a Wawa, try it out. Okay, I grabbed my moisturizer, put some of that in here. I'm just gonna add a few drops of each one in here. And then I'm just gonna give it a good mix. I'm just gonna start applying it on my face and neck. I did a thick layer because I don't care. Like, I'm just gonna let it dry on my face. And now I'm gonna go wash my hands really well, and then we're gonna do our hair. I'm gonna be using the Mika Bombshell Blowout Spray. It will protect my hair from the heat. Lightly brush that through. I'm also gonna use the Moroccan Oil Dry Shampoo for light tones. Zhuzh my hair up so that it lasts a while. It smells so good. It's like one of my favorite products ever. Now we're gonna section my hair. I'm using clips like these. You can find these easily like on Amazon. Just waiting for this to heat up a little bit more, and we're just gonna do, I think, 2 curls, like one here, and then just clip them up, and then we'll start doing more sections throughout the top. I'm just gonna put you guys on a time lapse so that this goes by pretty quick, but you can still see what I'm doing.
It's still beat, darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel safe. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing.
Just saw the sped up version of this. Here it is. I usually just do little clips and kind of hold the curl up and pin it, and then I sprayed with the Chi hairspray. Let this sit while I do my makeup. So I'm gonna go do my makeup right now off camera. I'll come back when I take this down and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, welcome back to the bathroom. We're gonna go from the bottom up again and just take out all of these clips. I think I got most of the bottom layer. I could tell it's already very voluminous and good. I'm just gonna take all the clips off, and then I'll take the rollers. Let's take these out. Yes, this is like the Farrah Fawcett hair, you know? But anyway, I just kind of take my hands and I zhuzh it all up. Sometimes I'll flip my head upside down, do this. And a lot of the time I'll just take like a brush and like lightly brush through it so that that crunch isn't still there from the hairspray. That's what it's looking like. This usually lasts me 3 to 4 days. I just did my last layer of self-tan before leaving. It is already looking so good, so dark. I love Saint Tropez. I have whitening strips in. I've had them in for a good like hour almost, so it's about to be time to take them out. But I just did my makeup. We are about to do our nails. I wanted to do them kind of like last. Okay, it's 3 a.m. Time to do the last glow up thing. So we're gonna do our glue on nails using the Kiss Salon Acrylic French Nude in the length medium. These are my favorites. Have the Kiss PowerFlex Max Speed Nail Glue. I only trust that one. The way I usually do this is that I'll like lay everything out first and try to size them to my fingers, kind of just like lay them all out, and then I'll put them upside down so that when I'm putting them on, it's just easier to drop the glue and then hold them on. This does come with a new nail file, so definitely utilize that if you can. File down the nail beds a little bit, just like a little bit to get the glue to like stick on there. Rough them up a tiny bit. Don't go ham, like just a little bit is fine. Now we are going to hold up each nail to our nails. Like you can see, this one fits this finger perfectly, so I'm just gonna put it in that sequence, and I'm just gonna try to find each nail. All right, I'm gonna do them and I will come back and show you the final result. Okay, here is how they turned out. Don't mind how messy this is, but they look so classy and like they'll go with everything, so I just love these, and they're doable with the length of them too. Absolutely love. Okay, it's 3:30 now, so we are headed out, and that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Make sure to follow on Instagram and TikTok because they post over there like every single day. Talk to you guys in the next video.